Welcome to my channel where I unbox, try on, and review different clothing subscription boxes that I'm using to build an entire wardrobe after I gained weight and nothing fit. In today's video, I have my third short story box, and it's my 8th clothing subscription box overall. This box is for a special occasion, 2 nights out actually. If you're interested in how well Short Story did in styling me for these nights out, especially for someone who is over 50, 5 feet 2 inches, a size large, and an apple shape, stick around to the end of the video for my scorecard review. These clothes will be my first dressier clothes because summer was casual clothes, and then the fall boxes were all for my fall back to work. In my stylist note, I let Short Story know that I would need clothes that I could still wear to work first and then go out to the evening afterwards, and maybe some accessories would help me dress up the outfit for after. So let's see what my stylist selected for my special nights out. 12 days ago, I received news that a film I worked on is being screened at an international film festival. I immediately ordered this short story box, which unfortunately arrived a day after the premiere screening of the film. There are 2 screenings of the film during the festival, so as long as there is one outfit I like in this box, I can wear it to the second screening. For those of you who use Short Story or are interested in using Short Story and need clothing for a specific event, I would recommend ordering 2 full weeks in advance to be safe. 9 days wasn't enough time for Short Story to curate and have the shipping service they use, in my case Amazon shipping, deliver the box in time. So it looks like I just got one accessory. I wanted shoes to match. They didn't send me shoes. That's sort of sad. I need shoes. Oh, this is so cute. Very delicate. Oh, there's red. We all know, if you watch my previous videos, how much I like that. Oh, and a lavender. So we'll see what this is. Ooh, it's soft. Okay, so that's the first bundle. Look at this, more lavender. Is that in color this season? Ooh, a deeper purple, looks like. What is this? Tan, brown, but I do like the tans. Ooh, it looks like I have a pair of jeans, a medium wash, which I don't have yet. And what's this? Something black, something black. Okay, so that's the color scheme they sent me. So starting with the first bundle, I love how it says stylish with teeth on everything. Ooh, it's a sweater dress, like a surplice. Okay. Forms a V-neck. It has that little cross tie in the back, so it's V front and back. It seems to have that sort of slight balloon sleeve kind of thing. This is nice for the cooler fall weather. It's a heavier weight knit. So oh look, and there's a little slit. It's ribbed, just so you could see close up. Right. Okay. And it has that, where's the tie? It has the tie came undone. You can tie it, and it seems like it would be sort of like where an empire waist would fall, so just right beneath the breast. So that might be flattering, we'll see. And since it's a heavier knit, I'm hoping that it's not clingy to my belly. Okay, well, I'm excited to try it. So the other thing that was in the first bundle, that lavender, what is this? It's a jumpsuit, again with the higher waist. It seems like it's a scoop neck cap sleeve. Here we go. I guess this would be wide leg. It's a soft material, so it's not a very stiff material. So sometimes those tend to just lay on the lumps and bumps rather than skim over them. So we'll see. Of course, right, so you can see the material here. You can see there's some darting here. I think you call them darting right here. The back doesn't have that same darting. So from behind, I like bolder colors, but hey, maybe this is trending and in, and maybe it will look nice having something not always dark, contrasting with my hair if I wear it down. We'll see when I try it on. So this is the next bundle. What is this? Another lavender. Oh, it's a top. So it has the crisscross back. Again, a cap sleeve, it looks like. I guess a cap sleeve is not a full short sleeve. It's shorter than a short sleeve. Another V-neck. Oh my Okay, but not too low. On the back, there's a line that goes down. Okay, and then you could see this is a little bit like, it feels like a heavier weight cotton. I don't know if it's cotton, but it seems like it's a straight hem on the bottom. So I think this is the type of thing that I probably wouldn't be able to wear well untucked, but we'll see when I try it on. Ooh, I really like this deep purple. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. And, oh, yes, a 3/4 sleeve. Very nice for fall. V-neck. Is it a V-neck? Hold on, let me get that out of the way for you. V-neck. It's a lighter, sort of thinner material. Right. Ooh, the length seems really nice. I actually can't wait to try this one on. I don't know, I think a deeper purple would be better. Okay, we'll see. And it doesn't seem as boxy since it's a dolman sleeve, I guess you would call it. See how it goes in there? And I know a lot of people don't like dolman sleeves. I actually do like dolman sleeves because it sort of goes in. I feel as if it would be good for an apple body shape, creating an illusion of a waist. And then this seems like, from the feel of it, like a layering item. Ooh, it's like a short trench, but in brown. I like it. Single-breasted, which is what they say, like never double-breasted for an apple body shape. So I like that it's a single-breasted coat. Here are the cuffs. And of course this is in petite. Everyone knows I don't like long sleeve. If it's a long sleeve, I don't want it to be too long past my wrist. Has the belt. I think it's fitted based on the back having those lines. That is the darting. The lapels aren't overly large, as you could see, so it won't overpower my more petite frame. I like this. I like now that I have the option, if I keep this, I like that I have the option to have a brown coat instead of just black. So the black that we saw earlier, oh, it's a pleated skirt. I always worry that with a pleated skirt, it might not flatter, like it might emphasize my belly because if it stretches out the pleats. The band in the front is flat. And then there's elastic on the back. We know that I don't like elastic for pants, but this is not as wide of a band as some of those other pants in the past, and I feel it's less visible because of the pleating. This is more of like an A-line, and I think it's definitely below the knee for me. I don't know if it's mid-calf or just below. We'll see when I try it on. And the tie comes like to the side. I'm excited. We'll see. I don't wear pleated skirts, so we'll see how one actually looks on me, so it's good to try. And then the last thing, I think this is like 8 items if you include the accessory. That's pretty awesome because on their website, they just say that they send you 5 to 6 items, and they've been always sending me a little bit more. Look at, is this considered a dark wash or medium wash? Oh my gosh, this looks so stylish. Okay, let me show you these are jeans. Look at how wide they go. And there's these big panels here. So not like a cargo pant, but there's something that gives some visual interest here. Look at this. Ooh. Here's the back pocket. It's got that V belt loop here. Here's the style of back pocket. Here's how the cut goes in the back. This is starting. I don't know, will it give me an appearance that I actually have a bottom? There seems to be like a carpenter pant has these things. So I like it. And you know, I don't like cargo pants or utility pants, but there's something about this that I feel is very stylish. And then here are the style of pockets here. I like this style of pocket that I haven't tried it before these boxes, but a couple of them have had it. So I don't know, there's something about it. I don't know if it's flattering for me or not. Okay, so that's everything in my box. I love everything except the shoulders. I love the feel of the fabric. It's also unlined, by the way. just so you know. Remember I noted that the black trench that I received from Stitch Fix was unlined. This one's also unlined. It has a little bit of a heavier weight. I like the feel of it more, and I like that it has a single button. The thing I don't like is the shoulders. I don't know if it's meant to be this way, like sort of a drop shoulder, but I feel like it makes me look slouchy. And if the shoulder length matched my actual shoulder length, I feel that it would be more flattering. Like up here, I feel there's something that, yeah, it would be. I know it's hard to tell. But see, like here, let me relax my shoulders, but keep it here. Sorry, this is the worst way of doing it. Versus here, there's something slumpy about it. I don't know, let me know what you think. I want it, but then it's not perfect. So here are my knees. I feel like it's the perfect, like it's not short, it's a little bit longer, so it provides some warmth. I don't know, I find it stylish. Maybe I can forgive the shoulder slumpy thing. I have no idea. I just wanted to show you with shoes. I have no shoes. Like I don't have a nude shoe, and I feel like black. I don't like ending a light outfit and then with just a dark color. I feel like that's not good for petites. So I thought I'd still go with the navy flats you've seen me wear before, just because it's like blue and purple. I don't know, there's something harmonious about it, except that I don't think I could wear this well with flats. I just wanted to show you the outfit. These, I love these wide leg. I think they're supposed to be high rise. They don't quite stay up, but I'm wearing booties now, so you could see. Like, these are shoes I had bought in like the early 2000s. They actually lasted. Feral Robin, which if you do Wantable, you'll know the Feral Robin brand for the t-shirts. But there was a year where Feral Robin did shoes. I bought these at Nordstrom. This was back, you know, before. I think wide leg does look like it's better. If you're petite, it's better to wear some sort of heel. And I think these heels are less than 3, but over 2. They're somewhere in between, but they're a little more comfortable because of the platform on them. I just wanted to give you the full effect, and I feel like because the darker purple and dark wash, it's slimming without wearing black. Okay. Ha. In the stylist note, it said to try on, so this is the pendant, this is how low it hangs. So not too long, so just in the right spot, I guess. I could even go longer for the V of this dress, but it seems like too small. Anyway, also I wanted you to see how it would look if I put on a pair of boots. This is part of the clothing that my colleague, when her mother passed, gave me. Her mother's shoe size is my same shoe size. For this special occasion box, I changed my style profile budget from the cheaper the better and anything less than $50 to between $50 and $100. I didn't want to make it difficult for my stylist to provide me with dressier clothing by being too restrictive on the budget, especially since these clothes were special occasion clothes. Everything in the box was under $100, so Kimberly, my stylist, kept within my budget and was able to provide what I think was stylish clothing. When looking at the total cost of $472, just remember that this cost is for 7 clothing items and 1 accessory, so 8 items total, just in case you are used to looking at total cost for 5 items only. I wanted to show you the skirt, the entire outfit with heels. Now these are 3-inch heels, so I cannot wear 3-inch heels out to work and then a night out. It's too painful for me. It looks very nice with heels, I think. And I like that it's just when you move that the slit's not too high, and it's just when you move that you get a peek. Very nice. It is definitely below the knee, but not so long. I don't think it's matronly. I don't think so. Whatever. I like the skirt. Okay. I just need heels that are 2 inches. I hope you enjoyed seeing the clothes Short Story sent me to mark the special occasion of the screenings at an international film festival of a film I worked on. I know I gave the box a grade of a B, which is not bad. I like the style and colors of all the clothes, and the only reason I didn't like the jumpsuit and dress was because the materials were not flattering for my belly area. I was also really disappointed they didn't provide me shoes with a 1 to 2 inch heel, but other than that, Kimberly and Short Story did a great job. Okay, thanks for joining me. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.